Hi everyone, this is Aisha Sheikh, and today I am going to solve some word problems with you. What are these word problems? Are you aware of them? Word problems are basically number stories. Just like the way you narrate a story, like The Lion and the Mouse, Jack and the Beanstalk, the same way we have number stories as well, which have numbers. In this number stories, you could find some key vocabularies. And with this key vocabulary, you have to identify whether you are supposed to add or subtract. Already we have published videos about addition and subtraction. So in case you need more clarity, you can always go back and watch them. It's a good reinforcement, definitely. In this video, I'm going to share some examples with you. Along with that, I am going to show you how to identify the key vocabulary, how exactly to trace them. Because believe me, from my personal experience, when I was a child, word problems were the toughest. And whenever it used to come in my exams, I would just go cuckoo. You know what's cuckoo? Mad. Because I didn't understand who took what, who bought what, and what's happening. So it took a while for me to figure out. But of course, with the right strategy in mind, you can definitely ace this. So this is for the beginners, the ones who are very new to word problems. It's not two-step, it's one-step word problem. Two-step word problem, inshallah, maybe in another video. So there we can discuss in detail how a two-step word problem is carried out or is solved. Okay, so let's get started. Right, here we begin. Before we continue with the word problem, prior to that, we should always know what are the vocabularies, because in a word problem we should be able to identify the key vocabularies, what's in it. So let's look at the plus sign vocabulary. Plus, addition. If you find these words in a word problem, so without a thought, you will need to add. This is just for the beginners, for one step word problem. This is the key thing. This is how we teach children. The main thing is to look for the keyword. If you find any of these keywords, that means you need to add. So what are the vocabularies? That's plus, sum, all together, total, in all, add. So these are the vocabularies. These are the most common ones. You know, there are few more which I haven't added because I wanted to choose only the most common ones, and mostly 95% of the times you end up finding this vocabulary in your word problems. Okay, so that was for addition, the plus sign. Now let's look at the minus sign. Minus. So what are the vocabularies? Left, minus, subtract, take away, difference, remaining. So if you find this vocabulary in your word problem, always first circle that and then you go ahead and subtract. Okay, the takeaway. Now let's look at some of the word problems. And I've got a set here. And I'm going to teach you how exactly to identify a key vocabulary and go on with your word problem. Just give me a second. Okay, here we go. This is our first word problem. Let's read it. Aisha bought 18 stickers. Her friend gave her 2 more. The numbers, let's underline 18 stickers and her friend gave her 2 more. How many stickers does Aisha have all together? Remember, I told you the key vocabularies. So let's go and check for the word all together. Can you see this? All together, that means you have to add. So let's circle the key word here. This is the word which tells you what you have to do with this word problem. This vocabulary tells you need to add these 2 numbers. So 18 plus 2. You can do mental math. 18 in your head, 2 in your hand. So after 18, 19, 20. 18 plus 2 equal to 20. Now let's read this again. Aisha bought 18 stickers. Her friend gave her 2 more. How many stickers does Aisha have altogether? Now also over here you are supposed to write the last statement. You will have to write Aisha has 20 stickers Use this word, all together. See, easy peasy. That's how you crack a word problem. Just identify the key vocabulary and that's it. Now we're going to go for the next one. That's about this. Let's read this. Johnny baked 20 muffins. His brother ate 5 muffins. How many muffins are left with Johnny? 5 muffins. Left. Let's look if you find the left word here. Nope, it's not over here. So let's look at the minus sign vocabulary. Can you see this? You found the left vocabulary here. That means you need to take away both the numbers and find out the answer. So the two numbers are 20 and 5 and the key vocabulary is left. So 20 take away 5 equal to. I'm doing mental math over here. You can also use a number line or a number grid, and there are more videos on how to use a number line and a number grid. What you can do is you go back and you check in the maths playlist and you would find all the videos there. Okay, so 20 take away 5. Small number in the hand, big in the head, and count backward from 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. That's 15. How many muffins are left with Johnny? So you're going to write Johnny. You can either write Johnny is left with 15 muffins or Johnny has 15 muffins now. See? Easy peasy. One more. Let's do this. Roger had 26 pencils. He gave 4 pencils to his friends. How many pencils are remaining with Roger? Did you find the keyword? The keyword is remaining. So remaining falls into which category? Plus or minus? Check out in minus. That's remaining. So we need to take away these two numbers. 26 minus 4 is equal to how much? Backward counting from 26, take 4 fingers in the hand. Count backward from 26. 25, 24, 23, 22. Read the last sentence again. How many pencils are remaining with Roger? So write, Roger has 22 pencils now. Okay, see? And the last word problem for the day is this. Sam watered 21 plants on Sunday and 7 plants on Tuesday. How many plants did Sam water in all? In all. Let's see if we can find this vocabulary here. Yes, I found it. It's in plus sign. In all. That means we need to add these two numbers to find out the answer. 21 plus 7 is equal to dash. The big number in the head, the small number in the hand, and count forward because it's the plus sign. After 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. How many plants did Sam water in all? Sam watered 28 plants in all. There's another thing I need to tell you. Whenever you add numbers, it's the straightforward thing, the big number in the head and the small in the hand. And it doesn't matter if you write 21 first or 7 first, because 21 plus 7 and 7 plus 21 both are same. Alright, so for addition it doesn't matter. But when it comes to subtraction, the big number should always come first. Okay, you cannot write 4 take away 26. 4 minus 26. That's wrong. You cannot take the small number first, because you are going to take a small number from a big number, right? That's take away. If you just have 4 pencils, how can you give someone 26 pencils, right? You cannot. So the big number comes first and then the small number. This is very important in a subtraction number sentence. Okay? Alright, that's it for today. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourself and do lend a helping hand to everyone across. If you like this video, do share with your friends as well. And we are trying to reach as many people as possible, and let's help everyone. Spread kindness, love you, take care, and God bless you.